Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Zara app not working. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store on your mobile devices. Now I'm here on Google Play Store. Now let's go ahead and tap on the option of search at the bottom right. Now let's go to the search bar and search for Zara. Now tap on Zara application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the Zara app is updated to its latest version. Once you update the app, all the issues on the application will be fixed. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below and tap on apps. From here, you could directly search for Zara. Then tap on it. Scroll down below and tap on storage. Now at the bottom right, you'll see the option of clear cache. Once you tap on it, all the problems on your application will be fixed. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.